So Herbal Essences is a brand of hair care and colouring products. The product line is owned by Clairol, who are then owned by a larger company called Procter& and Gamble. Procter& and Gamble are a multinational consumer goods company, so they own about 65 different brands ranging from the food industry to the beauty industry. The Herbal Essence brand was founded in 1972 and their first shampoo was called Clairol Herbal Essences shampoo. The brand now has about 12 different collections, and as you can see, there's a couple of photos at the bottom which just show the variety of products. And the product that I chose is called Morocco My Shine, so that uses an argan oil, which makes it different. They are one of the most successful hair care brands in the world. Claro has been considered one of the leading companies in the hair care industry in the United States. I took a picture of the ingredients that are on the bottle in front of me that I use every day. And one thing that did strike me when I decided to look, because I hadn't looked before, was the fact that the only word I could pronounce was water and blue out of everything, or citric acid, but everything else was I'd never heard of before. I didn't know what it was, which is always striking. I think that's always an indication if you can't actually pronounce what's on the bottle. So I found that interesting, and then now that I've looked into it more, I'm gonna, in the next few slides, will zoom in on certain chemicals that they use in this list that are not very good. The first ingredient that I did research on is the sodium lauryl sulfate, and it's actually the same as the sodium lauryl sulfate, but just a different form. But they act the same way. So it's actually a very harsh detergent, and it's found in a majority of products, so in numerous cosmetic and cleaning products. As you can see in the picture, it's what creates the foaming agent in products. The main issue with this chemical is the manufacturing process, and that's what leads it to be carcinogenic, because it gets contaminated with 1,4-dioxane, which is a carcinogenic chemical. Not only it also strips the hair's essential oils, and then this causes it prevents healthy hair growth. Another issue with this, and according to the article Human and Environmental Toxicity of Sodium Lauryl Sulfate, is that the chemical is tested on lab animals for oral toxicity, chronic toxicity, organ toxicity, cancer, and dermatological effects. So this is an animal rights and ethical argument, as animals should not be used to be tested on for chemical products. And then the article also looks at it and says that the actual sodium lauryl sulfate's main issue is that it irritates the eyes and the skin. And that picture is obviously in its raw form. That's what it looks like. And obviously this is not mentioned at all on the Herbal Essence bottle. It's just named, and that's what I found with each now with every product every chemical that comes up. It's not shown. You have to do research and then you find it out. Fragrance is added to the bottle or the products, and it sounds lovely to have the addition of fragrance, but it actually comes from more than 3,100 chemicals that they add to the fragrance. So these can be highly toxic, and they actually result in damages to the nervous system, liver toxicity, allergies, brain issues, obesity, asthma, organ toxicity, and even cancer. I read an article that the Environment Working Group, EWG, wrote, and the article was called Not So Sexy, and it stated that the average fragrance product tested contained 14 secret chemicals not listed on the label, and out of those chemicals, they were associated with hormone disruption and allergic reactions, and many substances that have not been assessed for safety in personal care products. So this shows how misleading these products are to the consumer. And they use this idea of the scent to persuade people to buy them, even with the rose picture, and then they, in the advertisements, they smell the bottle, so they use that as a real marketing, because it, even on the back of this, it says, the bottle, it says irresistible fragrance, but they're not telling you what chemicals are actually in them, and I found that really interesting. I didn't have any idea. I thought fragrance would just be the essential oil, but obviously. Dimethicone is another chemical. It's a silicon oil, so it actually leads the scalp to be excessively dry and irritated, which is actually it's funny because their advertisement is restores brilliant shine and luscious locks and makes hair as smooth, the smoothest it's been. So it's quite funny that it's actually a drying chemical. It kind of blocks the skin, so it creates a layer which then traps bacteria and impurities, so it's not good for the scalp or the skin. The thing with this chemical is that it's terrible for the environment. It's non-biodegradable, so as the picture shows, when waste just builds up, it can't be broke down, and then that means that it ends up affecting wildlife on land, and also it travels through water when you're washing your hair, and that then gets into the water and contaminates it. There is mixed, again, reports about this one, but that's what the main issues with this chemical is. So argan oil is the main selling point for Moroccan My Shine. It's become increasingly popular in the US markets. It's become quite a beauty staple. The picture in the background is Josie Maran's range, which is actually based all on argan oil. It's risen from 2007 to just 2 products to 2011 over 100, and that was by Dermatology News, and that's increased now. The issue with it is human rights, environment and sustainability. And on the next slide I'll explain more. So the issue with this is that the only tree is actually in an area of Morocco, and the demand is sky high. The extracting of the argan oil is extremely labour intensive and can take 50 kilograms of seeds to produce just half a litre of the oil. The impact is on the environment because the tree has seen a declining amount in the area. However, the new demand for it is spurring a sustainable plan to keep replanting the trees. But it is also, the tree is food for numerous animals in the area, especially goats, and the loss of those argan fruits would affect the livelihood of the animals that depend on the tree for food. And it's also a human rights issue that not overworking and taking advantage of unskilled labour. So according to PETA, Procter & Gamble still tests on animals. The company admitted to this and stated that guinea pigs, rabbits, hamsters, ferrets, rats and mice are among the animals they use for their product safety research, and they also use dog and cats. Herbal Essence is part of this company, so they're considered on the list as well. Huge ethical issue and concern for the welfare of animals. It's not needed in 2016 as there's numerous other ways to test for chemicals in synthetic. Greenpeace also uncovered, as you can see in the picture, the use of palm oil, which destroys the forests and kills the habitat for orangutans. So through the research, it shows that the brand Herbal Essences and Procter & Gamble need to implement more sustainable and environmental policies. They need to change their toxic chemicals that are linked to cancer and all the other things, and become more natural by using essential oils and non-toxic ingredients. It was so shocking to research this and find out the daily implications of me buying a product, and I think it shows the responsibility we have as human beings when we choose.